Hello and welcome to Vipul classes. Friends, it's very pleasure to all of us that our 12th class students are going to appear in their English core examination tomorrow. But we find some students are in stress how to appear in the examination and how to attempt the question paper tomorrow. So my dear students, I am here for you. My name is Vishnu and you are watching me on Vipul classes. Dear students, there should be no stress and there should be no problem in attempting your question paper tomorrow if you will follow my tricks and tips. So first of all, my dear students, you will have peace of your mind in your exam. When you will enter in your exam, you will take some water and with full of your peace of your mind, you will sit in your chair. My dear students, you will find your answer writing book. After filling your answer writing book's first page entry, you will find your question paper and board allows you 15 minutes for your question paper reading. So just have relax of your mind and just read your question paper in 15 minutes. After that, you will realize from where you have to start your question paper. So I will tell you, my dear students, it is on the basis of some previous students' problems that most of the students who attempt reading section in the beginning of writing, they have some problem in missing some questions in the examination. But in my opinion, you will have to start your writing work from your writing section. You will have to write notice, you will have to write invitation or reply, you will have to write your letter, you will have to write your article and then finish your writing section. After finishing your writing section, you will enter into your literature section. I think you will find extract from the poem in the beginning of the literature section. There will be 6 alternative questions from poem extract. You will have 2 poem stanzas and you will have to attempt only 1 stanza. And after that, you will find some comprehension from your textbook. Attempt this, and this will also be in the form of MCQs. And after that, you will find short answer type questions. So you will have to attempt short answer type questions, and after that you will have to write your long answer type questions. 2 long answer type questions will be given in your question paper, one from Flamingo and one from Vistas. And after finishing your long answer type questions, then the remaining part is reading section. So now you will have enough time to attempt your reading section, because reading section have some time for your reading. So my dear students, now it will be enough time for you to attempt this reading section. There will be 2 unseen passages and it contains 22 marks. After that, you will find that no question will be missed and you will have peace of your mind and very easily you will attempt your question paper. So best of luck for your tomorrow's exam. If you follow my tips and tricks, I think there will be no problem in your examination tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching this video.